I love just hearing people with Aziz Ansari, okay, Keanu Reeves, ah! But that's how I feel as well. But there's another word that is not scary, Keanu. And I know Keanu well enough and know he's not gonna like all this nice stuff I'm about to say, but just, it'll be quick, Keanu, and I will do it very quickly and efficiently. You know, we were filming the movie in LA, and I remember we were shooting one of our last days, and we were filming a scene outside in LA in Eagle Rock, and this group of women drove by, and they started honking, which we love when we're filming. And these women started shouting, they go, Keanu! Oh my God, you're so hot! You're beautiful! You're an angel! And it was very on point because he plays an angel in the movie, and he, as they know, is an angel on screen and on.
It's a beautiful story. It's a beautiful story.
Absolutely. But more recently, I think from The Matrix to John Wick, you know, audience...
Matrix, yeah.
The audience really knows you as a, you know, super cool action hero.
Acting.
This angel felt a little closer to perhaps Bill and Ted's Excellent Adventure. How do you...
Excellent. Yeah, I mean, Aziz really was, when we met, I was like trying to figure out the role. We had met on some of the script stuff, and then I was trying, and one day he was just like, so, do you remember Bill and Ted? I was like, yeah. I remember Todd from Parenthood, and I was like, yeah. And he's like, that guy.
Some of the things like the thing when Keanu starts smoking, and I remember we were in my house with Seth and Keanu, and we were just riffing on it, and we came up with that line where Keanu says, "Leave me alone, Jeff. It's all I have." And I was like, that'll be good. And as Keanu said, even on set, you know, that scene where Keanu eats a burger for the first time, that was one of the first things we filmed. And you know, I'd worked with Seth a bunch, but we'd never worked together, and this was like our first big scene I think we shot. And I remember at one point I just yelled out, Seth, go, you're a big boy. Keanu, take a big boy and go, yeah, I'm a big boy now. And they just did it, and it was perfect. And there was so much of that where I would just be hiding somewhere, and I'd be like, Keanu, say that.
An angel in this film, but you really are an angel in real life.
No, stop, please. No.
He hates this. You gotta stop. That was it. The Octavius one was it. We have to stop now, Anita.
No.
Then he's gonna turn into Wick, and we're done.
I just have to ask you, if you had the opportunity after you died to come back as an angel, would you take it? I think a lot of others would be happy if you did.
Instead of chilling out in heaven, just be like, yeah, man, I can't wait to get back. Especially on such a beautiful night as this, with a festival that celebrates cinema and its 50th anniversary. And it's my hometown, and to be here with such a wonderful family. All of you, everyone here tonight, is really something super.